Is Mifinity the best in 2026? Managing your money in today's digital world is easier than ever, or at least that's the promise of Mifinity. Sending funds, holding multiple currencies, paying online, and transferring money internationally, all from your phone, without branches or paperwork. But with so many wallets and payment apps in 2026, is Mifinity really the best choice? Let's explore. Mifinity presents itself as a global digital wallet designed for flexibility, speed, and convenience. You can manage multiple wallets in different currencies, deposit funds using cards, bank transfers, or other e-wallets, and send money internationally quickly. The mobile app is user-friendly, with a clean interface, fast login, and full visibility of your transactions. It also supports secure authentication methods like biometrics, adding an extra layer of security. One of the most appealing aspects is its simplicity. Setting up an account is straightforward. Register, verify your identity, and within minutes, your account is ready. Multi-currency support allows you to hold, send, and receive funds without needing multiple accounts across different banks. You can track balances in real time, review your transactions, and even use virtual IBANs for more complex transfers. The performance of Mifinity is solid. Sending money is fast and intuitive, and notifications keep you updated on every activity. For international users, the ability to hold multiple currencies is a big plus, making it easy to send money abroad or make online purchases without conversion headaches. The app also allows for recurring payments, which is helpful if you use it for subscriptions or regular transfers. Security is another important aspect. Transactions are encrypted, and multi-step authentication helps protect your funds from unauthorized access. Mifinity also monitors unusual activity, adding an extra safety layer for users. However, customer support is something to keep in mind. While generally responsive, there are reports of delays in some cases, particularly if verification issues arise. This can affect withdrawals or access to certain features. Comparing Mifinity with other digital wallets, it stands out for mobile-first design, multi-currency support, and global reach. While some competitors may offer lower fees or a wider array of banking services, Mifinity combines usability, flexibility, and accessibility in a way that is particularly appealing for freelancers, small businesses, and international users. It's especially useful for those who prioritize mobile convenience and need quick access to funds across currencies. Overall, Mifinity is a strong option for anyone who needs a flexible, secure, and internationally capable digital wallet. It may not replace full-service banks for those needing advanced services like loans or extensive financial products, but for sending, receiving, and managing money efficiently, it is an excellent choice. Its intuitive interface, multiple currency wallets, security features, and global accessibility make it a practical solution for modern users. In conclusion, Mifinity continues to adapt and improve for mobile-first users in the global payment space. It offers flexibility, convenience, and reliability, making it worth considering for anyone looking for a practical e-wallet. If you need a wallet that works internationally and provides a smooth user experience, Mifinity is definitely worth trying.